this lesson, we will learn numbers from 100 to a billion. 百 is 100. Please repeat after me. 百 百 follows the same formula as before. Number multiplied by 10 plus number. But in this case, number multiplied by 100 plus number. For example, to say 151, we say 151, where 100 is 100, 51 is 51, 151. But if you were to say multiples of 100, like 100, 200, 300, and so on, you would say 100 for 100, 200 for 200, and 300 for 300. The word for thousand is 千. Please repeat after me. 千 千. So to say 1,000 is 1000 and 2,000 is 2000, but it is more commonly said as 2000. This is the only exception. And 3,000 is 3000 as expected. Let's try 1,234. 1234. 1000 is 1,000. 200 is 200. 34 is 34. To say 10,000 is 1. Please repeat after me. 1. 1. Here are some samples. 1,000, 10,000. 21 is not commonly used to say 20,000. Please use 2,000, 20,000. 3,000, 30,000, and so on. So to say 45,678 is 45,678, where 4,000 is 40,000, 5,000 is 5,000, 600 is 600, and 78 is 78. How do we say a million in Mandarin? It's 100,000. Please repeat after me. 100,000. 100,000. 100,000 is made of two words, which we have learned before. 百 is 100. 1 is 10,000. 100,000. So to review this lesson, we have learned 百 100, 千 thousand, 1 10,000, 100,000 million. Try to use these basic numbers to make up other numbers. I'll see you next time. 再见。